Hey, hi everyone. So, I have been trying to come up with this session from a long time because there are many people, may it be the freshers or experienced professional, they are interested to know, like, okay, wow, what is this Salesforce and why one should learn Salesforce. So, let's try to explore and talk through what is Salesforce and why we should learn, who can learn, what are the things, how we can get started. All those things we'll try to cover in brief. Okay. So as we know, right, Salesforce is emerging technology nowadays. It's a CRM which makes it very easy for getting started for the businesses as it follows the subscription based model. Okay. Let's not go much detail into this what is Salesforce and what not it is, right? Let's try to stick to the overview part of it. Now the first thing, who should learn Salesforce, right? Obviously any IT professional, may it be a developer, QA, BA, architect, solution architect, technical architect, right? Any IT professional who is into the industry and who want to change the career path. There may be various reasons to that, right? We'll come to that later. But any IT professional who want to change and want to get a good career growth, he can be a good candidate for learning Salesforce. Obviously, the graduates, right? So for graduates who are having any graduation done in the engineering or any computer graduate, may it be a BCS, BSc computer, MSc computer, MCS, anything, right, which includes computer or mathematics as a uh, part of syllabus, right, which will make them to understand the programming logic. Other things like entrepreneur, business owners, and non-technical individuals. So, what I mean by non-technical is like a BA professional, right, who is not technical, but he is a kind of product owner or business owner. Those kind of people can also be a good candidate to learn Salesforce. Okay. Then next thing is why one should learn Salesforce. Now there are couple of things, right? One should be passionate about learning something new, and the other aspect, which is a driving factor for many of the people, right, is looking for a good career opportunity. They are looking for a good hike so that they can settle down very well, and a technology which will run in a longer period, which will make their life secure. So just I'll just read through this thing, right? Why we should learn Salesforce? Because it is having high demand in market nowadays. Salaries, if you compare to other technical people, technologies, you will definitely find Salesforce a big winning player in the market, right? Then flexible career path. We'll come to that part in the next slide. What all different options Salesforce offers. Then opportunity not only restricted or limited in India but all over the globe. Again, since the demand is high, few people are there which are having true knowledge in Salesforce. So their entry for those knowledge professional is very easy, and the security for job, that is the most important part, right? So salaries, demand, and then the job security. It's all points make it a demanding or or a technology that you should pursue or you should learn for a career growth. Now, different options Salesforce offers, right? By learning Salesforce, you can choose different paths. You can be a Salesforce administrator if you don't, or if you are not interested in programming, right? Then, obviously, if you are a hardcore coder, you can always choose the Salesforce developer path. If you are experienced professional in other technology and you are like good in consulting or consultation, or solutioning, you can always choose Salesforce consultant or architect, right? You can be a Salesforce business analyst or QA analyst from testing background, right? Because we know a lot of manual QAs are now in trouble, right? So it's better to switch to a technology which is in demand in market. Then obviously you can be a trainer. You can train others by learning yourself. And obviously there is always an option to be a freelancer or independent consultant, right? So there are various options. That's what Salesforce offers, this kind of flexibility, right, to choose from. Now the important part is how to get started. So at a very high level, right, for any programming language or for any software to develop, we'll need general things, right? So first part is UI, where user can interact or play around with the UI, make inputs or do some clicks or download some report or display some report. All those things are possible in UI. Backend, where you write the business logic, right? And then the database, where you store your data. So if you are from any other you know technology other than Salesforce, or even if you are a fresher from any computer background, you need to make sure that you should know the basics around this. Or if you don't know, no need to worry, right? You can get started. It won't take much time to brush up the concepts in this different things that you need for UI, then backend, and then database. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript will be essential for UI. Okay. Then backend, for backend, if you know any language, right, any programming language, C, C++, PHP, core Java, anything, .NET, C sharp, any language you can take for that matter, right? Then database, any database, if you have basics, how to write a query, what are the fields, what are the objects or tables, columns, rows, all those things will help you to speed up your learning path in Salesforce. There are various things that Salesforce offers out of the box. There are various YouTubers, trainers, those who are posting videos. You can follow any one of those or any one of them to gain knowledge into Salesforce. It's not necessary that you should go and attend some training or that sort of things are not essential if you are a self driven, right? And if you are motivated to learn on your own, you have a lot of training material available out of the box that Salesforce provides, right? So these are the things where if you are looking for a good career growth, you should get started with Salesforce. Now you should be knowing the answers of what, why, who, right? Who are eligible, what are the flexibility that offers with different options which are available in Salesforce. So all those things now you should know. Okay, I'll try to come up with additional information in another session. Thank you and keep learning.